Okay, so we are now installing these little yellow springs. They're super heavy duty for the bed. Here's the original spring for comparison. So you loosen and unscrew all four wheels underneath the bed, and there's a small tab holding this together. You're going to want to get the screwdriver that comes with the kit and just pop that off so that you have enough leeway space to get that off and get your springs back on. And it should just be very straightforward. Just putting the spring back on, putting it all back to the bed, putting the four wheels back underneath, tightening and adjusting. Before I put I guess after I put the bed on, I'm going to install the silicone nozzle cover, and that's supposed to help sticking problems. I haven't had any sticking problems or anything like that, but it's there, so I'm going to upgrade it. Alright, that's what I'll do next. Okay, so I just found out the ender came with a silicone boot, but it looks like crap and it's covered in like some oil or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this new boot labeled MK9. And the way I pulled it out was pretty easy. I thought these things actually didn't come with the boot. I'm not sure though. I've always seen people say that they had to buy one or upgrade or whatever, but I don't know. So let's get this on there. Shit. Should have seen how it came off. There we go. Snug in there. And this was one of the first prints I did. I might have to make another one because this one came out kind of crappy, but this is the fan shroud. The fan shroud. And that goes back on with the two little screws. And we don't want to torque this piece down too much because obviously it's PLA, so it could easily crack. I think if it was ABS it would crack just as easily. Okay, so let's see, we're almost there. Sorry, trying to do this one hand. Just snug. And a couple of prints down the road I'll check these again because of the vibration and stuff. I'm just barely hand tightening until like quarter turn after snug. Alright. If you haven't already, I suggest you print one of these nice little tool rack doodad things. Holds all your basic kit tools. And I just created this for files. It's just a basic file holder, I guess. Alright, so springs installed, new silicone boot installed, new Bowden tube installed, all that's new, the whole setup. And the last parts to put in are these motor boards. So I'm going to grab some double-sided tape and we'll cut to that.